close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna wait.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you a very quick makeup look that's perfect for work or school or for anyone who's always on the go. This literally takes me only 10 minutes. It's very simple, and the first thing I'm doing is applying a moisturizer. You want to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. I'm using MAC Prep and Prime Primer, and on top of that I'm going to use another primer, except this one's going to have SPF in there, and that's really important, especially if your job is outdoors or if any of your events are outdoors. This one is from e.l.f. and this has SPF 50 in there. Next, I'm applying some concealer. I'm using this one from Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is a little on the thicker side, but I love that, especially during morning time. So if you are someone who has dark circles, this concealer is perfect for you because it will cover a lot and make you look more awake, I guess. And I always set my concealer. Today I'm using this one from MAC. This is from the Patrick Starr collection, and this powder actually works really well. I normally use my Laura Mercier, but this one works just as good, so I just grab whatever is closest to me. And then I'm gonna work on the rest of my face. I'm using a powder from IT Cosmetics. This is the Airbrush Perfecting Powder, and this one actually has SPF 50 in there, so if you don't have a moisturizer with SPF in there, just go for a foundation that has SPF in there or a powder. And I'm using my G5 powder brush from Morphe to apply that. And then I quickly fill my eyebrows in. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I normally hate filling in my eyebrows, but I have to because sometimes they don't look even. But yeah, so I fill them in and move on to the next step. And now I'm adding some color to my face. I'm using a matte bronzer from Too Faced. This one's called Milk Chocolate. And I'm going to quickly apply some on my cheeks, forehead, and I'm also going to contour my nose. And I promise this does not take a long time, especially with the brushes I use on my nose. You'll see. And with that same bronzer, I'm going to take some with a blending brush and just apply some on my eyelids, crease, just to give your eyes some color. So I use the same bronzer for my face, my nose, and my eyes. And these are the brushes I always use to contour my nose, and I'm so mad at myself for not finding these a long time ago. It's so easy. You literally just draw two lines, as you can see, and then just blend it out. Next thing I'm doing is taking a black eyeshadow and pressing that as close as I can to my lash line using a flat brush from Morphe. This is the E43 brush. I love doing this technique because it opens up your eyes a little bit without trying too hard using a dark eyeliner or a winged liner. This is really simple. It just gives you that little bit of smokiness on top of your eyes. And then for my mascara, I'm using this one from IT Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Mascara, and I'm just gonna apply some on my upper lashes and lower lashes. And now I'm lining my lips with a very natural nude lip liner. This one's from Loreal, and this one is number 114. And on top of the lip liner, I'm using a liquid lipstick that's the same shade as the lip liner. This one is from Lena Lashes or Lena Cosmetics, and this one's called Mild Brown. And now I'm adding some glow. This palette is from Lena Lashes. This is called the Lemonade palette. And to apply those highlighters, I'm using my Morphe M501 brush. And the last thing I'm doing is setting everything with some Fix Plus from MAC, and then I take my damp beauty blender and press everything onto my skin. This makes a big difference. It makes your skin look less cakey and makes everything last all day. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please let me know some of your favorite everyday products down below in the comment section. I would love to see what you're liking or loving right now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later.